Hello, my name is Doug Thompson. I'm the president of Floyd Wickman Canada. Here are some tips and techniques from the Floyd Wickman team and me. I'm here today to talk to you about open houses. Of course, we know that there's been many people say, open houses, why would we ever do an open house? What a waste of time that is. Well, I don't believe that at all. In my 20 years of a real estate career that was very successful, I believe strongly in open houses. I had lots of success with open houses. The trick is knowing how to, number one, run an open house, number two, how to produce one, and number three, how to get people through the door. It's a step-by-step process. Everything that we do through the Wickman organization is a step-by-step process. Now, in saying that, what do you have to do to have a successful open house? Well, number one, you need to have people come through the front door and make your customer, meaning your seller, happy that there was actually people there interested in their home. Now, when they're there, you need to be able to have a systematic way of actually asking these people, what are they looking for? What do they want? What do they need? Where are they going to go? And this is what our goal is within an open house. Now, we need to realize that people do not want to be pushed. People don't want to be jumped on. We are not cheap salespeople. We need to be trained. We need to know how to actually sell. Selling is a key part of being a successful real estate agent. And therefore, obviously, selling is a key part of running a successful open house. There's many things that we need to do in running a successful open house, and we go through this in a step-by-step process within our 7-week program at the Floyd Wickman program. There will be one coming to your area soon, so please take the time, contact us, find out when the next 7-week program is in your area, and we'll show you how to run a successful open house, and we'll show you beyond a shadow of a doubt that an open house is a tool in your toolbox that you must use on a day-to-day basis. I promise you, it's a great way to increase the net profit for you in your business. Thanks again. Make it a great day.